I wasn't surprised that he was moved out of health.
Were you surprised he was kept in cabinet?
I was, really, yeah. Well, he's a very inexperienced politician, and he had created a huge amount of difficulty for the government. I mean, health should have been a real plus for this government. There was the potential to do that. It should have been one of their flagship projects, and it turned out to be quite disastrous for them. And I think a lot of the blame for that can be laid at James Reilly's feet, and I think the public would generally concur with that view. And for that reason, generally, if a minister does a lot of damage, they take the rap for that. But that didn't happen in this case. I suppose there was the complication of him being deputy leader of Fine Gael, and I suppose Enda Kenny not taking the hard decisions.
Sounds like you don't have much time for him. When was the last time you spoke to James Reilly?
Oh, it was the night before I resigned.
You literally haven't said a word to him since?
No, I haven't really.